Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. At this time of the year, we start seeing fresh okra in our markets. So how about making bhindi fry today, and that also achari style. Achar is pickle and bhindi is okra. At the same time, I will show you how to make achari masala. So let's cook achari bhindi fry. So the first thing I will show you is how to make the achari masala. Okay, so now that our achari masala is prepared, let's cut the okras. Always wash the okras before cutting them and let the water drip off very well before cutting. Since I am recovering from a flu, my voice today may sound a bit raspy and heavy, so please excuse me for that. I really like to explain my videos very well, so please don't mind if my voice cracks from time to time. Next, roughly chop a small onion. Before we start cooking, I want to show you how I keep all my ingredients for a recipe all set up before cooking. You can see here my vegetables are all cut and kept separately. My spice box is kept near. At the back, you can see there is my salt pot, the chili powder, turmeric powder, oil are all within my reach. Always set up your ingredients like this before starting to cook any recipe. Then you will see it gets much easier for you. In a pan, I heated 3 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Now that my oil is well heated up, in goes the chopped onion. Stir just for a minute. Then add the okra. Increase the heat to high and fry the okra. I added 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Remember, the achari masala also has turmeric in it, so add less. Okra has this slimy texture in the beginning, but on frying them on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, the slime soon disappears. Now at this point you can see the slime is no longer there, so cover it on medium to low heat for about 5 minutes. The okras have started to brown up now. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Then comes the achari masala. Add about 1 teaspoon of it. Store the rest of the masala in an airtight jar and keep it in the fridge. It stays fresh for a long time if you keep it in the fridge, but remember to label your bottle before putting it in the fridge. Cover it again for 5 minutes. From time to time uncover, give a stir and cover again if you see the okras haven't become tender. My okras are looking well fried and they have become tender as well. How will you know whether your okras are done or not? With your spoon, just press on one of them, see how it has turned soft. Then I squeezed few drops of lime juice. Since it's an achari preparation, you need to add some kind of tangy flavor, whether it's lemon juice or vinegar. This is such a simple recipe. If you have the achari masala in hand, then it takes very less time to fry the okras. Serve this fried okra with rice or roti, and you can even pack this for lunch boxes. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing, and please write to me in the comment section that what kind of recipes you want from me. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.